Hello everyone and welcome back to the Queen's Suite Makeover series. Today we are in my very small master bathroom and baby, this room needs some love, so we're gonna put a little bit of love in it today. Stay tuned, let's get it. So look, we are going to have to clean this place up a little bit first. I mean, I had stuff everywhere, let's be honest. And I'm just showing y'all a little bit of the cleaning because that is not what this video is about. We are actually going to do some painting and some decorating. So I just wanted to show y'all that I did clean it first. And even though I cleaned that toilet, I went and got me a nice clean cloth. Because yeah, we don't do that. But I had to clean it up a little bit first, just so we can get to it. I am about to paint this wall in my bathroom. Thing is, it's also connected to this wall, which as you can see, this rod right here is gonna be where my black curtains hang from. It's really close to this. I got a lot going on. So I'm probably just gonna do one curtain to, so y'all can see, one curtain that'll go in the middle. I really don't know yet. I kind of got to see it first before I actually do it. But I'm about to change out this hardware right here because it gotta go. Then I'll get the painting, but I can't find my painting tape. So I'm gonna have to improvise in some type of a way. So let's get this hardware changed first. Then I'm gonna paint this wall, let that dry, and get some other stuff together. And yeah, we'll go from there. So let's get it done. It's gone. Do y'all remember this? I got it from Aldi. It was $14.99. Let's get this open, attach it to where it needs to go, and see how it works. You go to instructions. And if you ever did one of these before, you probably don't need instructions like me. Close that up. I'm just gonna put it up. So now it's time to paint, but like I said before, I can't find my tape, but that's okay. I'm gonna improvise. It ain't gonna be perfect. Wish I could find my tape. I'm gonna paint this wall right here in front of me that y'all can't see. It's right here. I'm gonna let y'all see me do it. I'm gonna paint this wall right here in front of me, and I think that's all the painting I'm gonna do. I think. Okay, y'all, I just spent about 20 minutes mixing the paint. But if y'all remember from my last video, I told y'all I bought this paint back in December, and it's honestly just been sitting. And I'm doing black in my bathroom. I have the Valspar Ultra, and like I said, it's in black. Can you see? And surprise, surprise, I'm also doing my room in black. We're gonna see how that turned out. Y'all, I am working without guidance. So I'm gonna keep a wet cloth with me. See how good that works, okay? Let me see if I know what I'm doing, because I don't. I'm gonna act like I put a lot of paint on this brush. Why am I being cautious? I have done the perimeter of everything, I think. And it is not perfect. But it's ready for the roll. So I'm about to roll that. I got some on the baseboard. I'm about to go down here and get that. And then I'll let y'all see me finish this wall. I keep coming out the shop, but y'all will get to see me finish this wall. But I'm about to use this little roller to get the rest of this wall. So I'm about to put these shelves up on my wall. I got these shelves from Dollar Tree. Y'all know I'm being frugal and that I'm being as inexpensive as possible, but I'm showing you how you can still make your stuff look good on this budget. I got 2 of these shelves from Dollar Tree. I'm about to put them up now, as you can see. And I'm doing it my own little way because I can. So let's put these up. Oh, it goes on perfect when I'm not on camera, by the way. Like, perfect. Sheesh. I'm gonna put up the second one and I'll just see y'all after that.